Hi guys, in this video we will talk about how we can backup and restore snagit library videos and image and other file. Any file in your library, we will back it and to restore. Let's start. Open snagit, then go to edit menu, editor preference, library, click on the here, backup, restore, medical storage files. If you need backup, click here, backup. If you need to restore, click here. I will do backup for my library before I restored other file library. We'll do backup library and choose where you can store your backup. I will back up it here, rename if you need any name to remember it in the future, and click save. Wait, yes, the backup is successful. And stored in this path. This message mean this path for your backup, and you can using this backup to restore it restore it to this PC or move it to other PC and do what we will do in the step. Now we try to check the backup. This is file for backup. This file, this is time. Now if we need to restore the backup for this PC or for other PC, for other PC, copy the backup to other PC and do this. Open snagit editor. After that, go to edit, go to editor preferences, library. Then from here, click restore. If we focus before we restore, I have two images and one video. I will restore other package. You can restore your last package or other package. I will restore other package. Yes, restore and replace. You need to focus here. The current library will be overwritten and snake date were restored. You can restore and replace. Replace your current library with the caption in this backup. Don't restore. Cancel and restore. You may be focused. You will overwrite here and replace old library. Well, delete. Restore and replace. This is old library for me. And after that, we will check what happened. I try to reopen snagit from here or from stop. Now look, I have now 70 image and the image before I do restore is delete. You must focus for that. Your file before you do restore will delete. Now this is new file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, and if you have any question, write in the comment. Thank you.